Good day everyone. The title of my abstract is Hepatocyte Growth Factor c-Met Pathway Inhibition combined with chemotherapy decreases precursor pannins and activates local immunity in early KPC model. As you all know, pancreatic cancer is characterized by extensive desmoplasia as shown in the H&E. We and others have shown that pancreatic stellate cells produce the collagenous stroma and interact with cancer cells to facilitate progression of pancreatic cancer. We also have recently shown that HGF-c-Met pathway is a major mediator between pancreatic stellate cells and cancer cells. And inhibition of this pathway with gemcitabine significantly decreased tumor size and metastasis in both early and advanced xenograft orthotopic models. However, these models are limited by the lack of a competent immune system, which is an important component of pancreatic cancer. We hypothesize that in an immunocompetent setting, inhibition of HGF-c-Met pathway with and without gemcitabine inhibits the progression of pancreatic cancer. The aim of this study is to assess the effects of HGF-c-Met inhibition with and without gemcitabine on the progression of precursor pancreatic intraepithelial neoplasms toward pancreatic cancer using the transgenic KPC mouse model. The experimental design is as follows. We used 7-week-old KPC mice as at this age they reliably express pannins in their pancreas. These mice were randomized into 8 treatment groups and treated as vehicle control, HGF inhibitor, c-Met inhibitor, gemcitabine as single or dual or triple combinations. At the end of the experimental period, the pancreas was collected and processed for immunohistochemistry. Coming to the results, we first looked at pannin density using mucin 5AC marker and found that only triple therapy consisting of HGF inhibitor, c-Met inhibitor and gemcitabine significantly decreased pannin numbers compared to control. With regard to immune cells, we first looked at total T cell infiltration using CD3 staining and interestingly found compared to control, triple therapy significantly increased total T cell infiltration. And importantly, significantly increased the proportion of cytotoxic T cell infiltration as assessed by CD8 staining. Concomitant with cytotoxic T cell increase, we found a significant decrease in T helper cells as assessed by CD4 staining and T regulatory cells as assessed by FOXP3 staining. Triple therapy showed no significant change in pancreatic stellate cell activation, proliferative index and macrophage infiltration. We have shown for the first time that even in immunocompetent setting, triple therapy, that is HGF-c-Met pathway inhibition along with gemcitabine significantly decreased pannins and notably significantly increased total T cell and cytotoxic T cell infiltration, suggesting that these T cells might be inhibiting the development of pannins in this model. These findings imply that triple therapy approach has the potential to arrest precursor pannin lesions via activation of cytotoxic T cells. I would like to thank the members of the Pancreatic Research Group, our collaborators and scholarship support.